Learning English is a valuable skill that opens doors to countless opportunities around the world. English is an international language spoken by millions of people as a first, second, or foreign language. It is used in education, business, science, travel, and entertainment. Therefore, learning English is essential for anyone who wishes to connect globally and enhance personal and professional growth. But how can one learn English effectively? There are several important steps, methods, and habits that can help in mastering this beautiful language. Firstly, the most important thing is to have a strong desire and clear motivation for learning English. If you don't have a reason or purpose, you will easily lose interest. Think about why you want to learn English. Is it for your studies, job, travel, or personal development? Once your purpose is clear, it will become easier to stay focused and determined. Next, start by learning basic vocabulary and simple sentences. Begin with words and phrases you use in your daily life. Try to learn the names of household objects, common actions, numbers, days of the week, colors, and greetings. Make a list of new words every day and revise them regularly. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps to help you memorize new words quickly. Along with vocabulary, learn basic grammar rules. Grammar is the foundation of any language. Focus on parts of speech such as nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Understand how to form sentences, use tenses correctly, and structure questions and negative sentences. Start with present simple tense and gradually move to past and future tenses. Don't try to learn all grammar rules at once. Take one rule at a time, practice it well, and then move to the next. Reading is a highly effective method for improving English skills. Read English storybooks, newspapers, blogs, and articles on topics you enjoy. Begin with simple and short stories, then gradually move to more complex materials. Reading helps you learn new words in context and improves your understanding of sentence structures and expressions. Listening is equally important in learning any language. Listen to English conversations, songs, news, audiobooks, and podcasts. Watch English movies, dramas, and cartoons with subtitles. This will not only improve your listening skills, but also help you learn correct pronunciation and accent. Try shadowing techniques, where you repeat what you hear immediately after the speaker. Speaking is one of the most challenging but essential parts of language learning. Practice speaking English daily, even if you make mistakes. Don't be afraid of errors, because making mistakes is part of the learning process. Talk to your friends, family members, or classmates in English. Join language clubs, speaking groups, or online language exchange programs. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Writing in English is another important skill. Start by writing simple sentences about yourself, your family, your hobbies, and your daily routine. Keep a daily diary in English. Gradually move to writing paragraphs, essays, letters, and emails. Always check your spelling and grammar after writing and learn from your mistakes. English learning apps and online resources can be very helpful. There are numerous free and paid applications and websites that provide interactive exercises, quizzes, games, and courses for learners of all levels. Use apps like Duolingo, Hello English, or BBC Learning English to practice on the go. Set a daily study routine. Consistency is key in language learning. Study for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day. Divide your time for different activities like vocabulary, grammar, reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Avoid long gaps in your study routine as it can slow down your progress. Another useful tip is to think in English. Instead of translating from your mother tongue to English in your mind, try to form thoughts directly in English. This will make speaking and writing faster and more natural. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Label objects in your room with their English names. Change your phone, computer, and social media language settings to English. Listen to English radio channels or watch English YouTube videos regularly. Attend English courses or language classes if possible. A good teacher can guide you in the right direction and correct your mistakes. Joining a class also provides an opportunity to practice with other learners. Participating in English language contests, quizzes, debates, and essay writing competitions can boost your confidence and skills. Take part in school or community English programs and events that set small, achievable goals. For example, aim to learn 5 new words a day, finish 1 storybook in a week, or watch an English movie every weekend. Reward yourself when you reach your goals. This will keep you motivated. Practice pronunciation by repeating words and sentences you hear in movies, songs, or videos. Use online dictionaries that provide audio pronunciations. Record your own voice and compare it with native speakers. Focus on phrases and expressions rather than isolated words. Learning whole phrases like, "How are you doing?" or "Can you help me?" is more useful in conversation than just knowing individual words. Learn idioms and proverbs to sound more natural and fluent in English conversations. Native speakers often use idiomatic expressions that give more color and meaning to the language. Use a notebook or diary for new words, grammar notes, idioms, and useful expressions. Revise this notebook regularly to keep the information fresh in your memory. Stay patient and never give up. Language learning is a gradual process and takes time. It's normal to face difficulties and make mistakes in the beginning. Learn from every mistake and keep moving forward. Engage with native English speakers through social media, forums, or pen pal programs. Having conversations with native speakers improves your fluency and introduces you to cultural aspects of the language. Watch English news channels like BBC, CNN, or Al Jazeera to stay updated on global events while improving your English. Follow English learning blogs and YouTube channels that provide grammar tips, vocabulary lessons, and conversation practice. Write comments in English on social media. Posts YouTube videos or blogs to practice writing and interacting in English. Be creative and try to translate your thoughts, stories, poems, or songs into English. Traveling to English-speaking countries or cities, if possible, can provide a practical environment for improving your language skills. In conclusion, learning English requires passion, patience, and practice. Use all the available resources around you. Make English a part of your daily life, and enjoy the journey of mastering this global language. Every small effort you make today will take you closer to fluency tomorrow.